Hello, dear friends of the internet. It is me, Edward, and today I am with Paula. It's a Sunday, and they've closed off this section of the street here in Medellin, Colombia, and we are going to go skating.
Yo quiero, amor, préstame atención, quiero que los dos vamos.
¿En serio?
¿En serio?
¿Y cómo vamos a parar?
Vamos a aprender a frenar.
Ah, yeah.
Vamos.
We have to learn how to brake. We can kind of go, but we don't know how to stop. Okay, so that's what it's like for us going skating for the second time. This was only the second time. Hopefully in a year we'll know what to do. So far we can go downhill a little bit, uphill pretty good, and we can't brake. I mean, basically you just fall on your butt. That's braking, so. Ciao, Paula!